Among all the sacred places on earth, the most sacred is the heart of a child. A child's perception of the world is his mother, his family, and his home. When fate shatters this ideal world, these little souls become frightened, silent, withdrawn, bewildered and alone, usually feeling worthless and powerless to change their own circumstances. SOS Children's Villages is a private social welfare organization dedicated to providing homes for orphaned, abandoned and abused children. Founded in 1946 by an Austrian, Hermann Gemeiner, SOS Children's Villages is today the largest child welfare organization in the world, with over 1,800 projects in 132 countries, providing loving homes to more than 80,000 children who have no family, and care for them until they are independent. SOS Villages of Pakistan started as a small facility in Lahore in 1976, and today has more than 45 projects operating across the country. Four principles form the basis of the SOS philosophy. A mother, brothers and sisters, a home, a village. The mother, with whom the ultimate responsibility rests for meeting the child's needs. She provides affection, care, and security for the children. SOS mothers are selected with great care. They are usually single women, often widows without their own families, who are thus able to commit themselves completely to the responsibility of being the access of an SOS home. By employing such women, SOS also contributes towards their rehabilitation in a congenial and secure environment. A family is incomplete without brothers and sisters. Boys and girls of various ages grow up together as siblings, sharing a mother, a home, and a life. Laughing, crying, fighting, making up, all because someone cares. Real brothers and sisters are not separated and are always accommodated in the same house. Home, the focal point of the village. Here the children find security, a feeling of belonging, and having their own place in the world. An SOS home is a self-contained unit and is as close as possible to a normal home in all respects. Every house consists of a living area, kitchen, separate bedrooms for girls and boys, and a small room for the mother. A kitchen garden is also maintained by each family. The village, where children learn to integrate in their surrounding community, acquiring social skills while interacting with members of other families. An SOS village is typically comprised of 15 family homes, a community hall, a mosque, a grocery shop, a workshop, essential staff residences, adequate playgrounds, and a well-equipped health centre. Good education is the greatest gift we can give to our children. Every SOS village has a school attached to it. These schools provide quality education, not only to the SOS children, but also other underprivileged children of the area. These schools serve a dual purpose. They enable the SOS children to integrate with the community and also help provide a high standard of education to the less privileged children of the adjoining areas. All SOS children are entitled to full scholarships to pursue higher studies.
कई साल पहले जब मैं डोडियाल एसओएस में बड़ी हो रही थी, मैंने कभी भी नहीं सोचा था कि मेरे आगे इतना अच्छा मुस्तकबिल होगा. I had never imagined that I would be a part of NCA Lahore.
Other children have the option to join SOS vocational institutes, offering courses in automobile engineering, electrical engineering, and various other fields to SOS children and youth of the area to enable them to pursue a useful career.
UET से BSc इंजीनियरिंग की और इंजीनियरिंग के बाद अभी मैं गवर्नमेंट जॉब कर रहा हूँ एज असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर डायरेक्टरेट जनरल माइंस एंड मिनरल में.
Older boys are shifted to SOS youth homes upon reaching adolescence. Here they have more freedom, and with the help of a trusted counsellor, they learn to handle responsibility, make decisions, and be more independent. Children from privileged families regularly volunteer to spend time with the SOS children, forming a healthy bridge between the SOS communities and the world outside. Biannual reunions provide an opportunity for those who have moved on to an independent life to revive childhood memories at the SOS village. More than 100 SOS girls are today leading a happy married life.
बच्चे अपने सारी उम्र अपनी माँ को नहीं भुला पाते, इसी तरह मैं भी कभी एसओएस को भुला नहीं पाई हूँ.
माँओं का प्यार, बहनों का प्यार, भाइयों का प्यार, किसी चीज की कमी महसूस नहीं हुई.
Emergency relief programs. These programs are designed to provide fast, non-bureaucratic relief in times of emergency and disaster. On 8th of October 2005, the northern areas of Pakistan were rocked by a Richter scale 7.6 earthquake, devastating the entire population of the area. The response by SOS to this human tragedy was instant. Within the first 48 hours, relief goods started flowing to the affected areas, and hundreds of homeless orphan children were taken into care. Today, there are more than 200 children from the affected areas still being provided shelter at the SOS earthquake relief centres in Lahore, Sialkot, Rawalpindi and Dhodial.
धड़कनों में बस रही है मेरी माँ, मेरी कायनात है मेरा जहां, मेरा. ये गाना मेरी माँ के लिए है. माँ के कई रूप होते हैं. मुझे जिस रूप में माँ की मोहब्बत और शफकत मिली वो SOS है. नात है मेरा जहां, तू मेरी राहत है, तू मेरी चाहत है, तेरे जैसा ना कोई यहाँ, मेरा दिल.
The stories that began as tragedies are being given happy endings.
मेरी कायनात है मेरा जहां. सारे रिश्ते तेरे साथ हैं जुड़े, मुझको मेरे बहन भाई हैं मिले, तेरे दम से सारा कारवां चले, मेरी जन्नत है तेरी छाओ तले. छोटे से आंगन में ममता के दामन में तेरी गोद में मिले पना.
The orphans in our society are the responsibility of all of us. Our aim is to ensure that they get a fair chance in life, to ensure that they too are loved and valued, and enabled to become productive citizens. We cannot do this alone, and urge you to consider joining us in this mission.
Every child is born with a dream often realized with the help of a parent. These children at SOS have their dreams too, but they need our help to make their dreams come true. In an ideal world, there would be none like them. Let us make them a part of our world.
Thank you.